Hello, welcome back to English Speaking with Xoliswa. If it is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. So, today we are going to be looking at an English learning interactive quiz for beginners. Now, this quiz is designed for beginners, but even if you are intermediate, you can do this quiz. We are going to be looking at 10 questions. They cover a variety of topics, so they cover different topics. And we are going to have these 10 questions, and all you have to do is pick the correct answer. So, how it's going to go? I'm going to ask the question and have it on the screen as well, and then give you the list or the options or the answers that you have to choose from. So each question is going to have 3 or 4 choices that you can choose from as an answer. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds in which you can choose the correct answer, and then I'm going to give you the answer. So just to make it more interesting, what I'm going to do, the last question, I'm going to ask it, but I'm not going to give the answer to. And what I want you to do is to write down the answer for me in the comments down below. Let's get started. Now, learning English can be quite difficult when you're trying to learn different things, how to say different things. So that's why these questions look at different vocabulary and different phrases. So question number 1. This covers greetings. Question number 1. What do you say when you meet someone in the morning? Do you say good night? Do you say good morning? Do you say good evening? Or do you say goodbye? So when you see someone in the morning, what do you say? If your answer was good morning, then correct. You got it correct. Let's move on to question number 2. How do you say goodbye informally? Do you say good night, farewell, bye, or hello? So how do you say goodbye informally? If your answer was bye, then you are correct. Question number 3. What do you ask to find out how someone is feeling? So, what do you ask to find out how someone is feeling? Do you say, what's up? How are you? Where are you? What's your name? If your answer was, how are you? Then you are correct. How are you? Question number 4. What do you say to show gratitude? So, what do you say to show gratitude? Do you say please? Do you say sorry? Do you say thank you? Do you say hello? What do you say to show gratitude? If your answer was thank you, then you are correct. So before we go on, I just want us to look at gratitude as a word on its own. So gratitude. So it's when you are grateful to someone for something they said or they did. So you are grateful, for example, if someone buys you chocolate, you show gratitude, you say thank you, because you are grateful for what they did. So they did this for you, which was a good gesture. So now you are grateful, and to show your gratitude, you say thank you. Question number 5. What comes after 5? What comes after 5? Is it 7? Is it 4? Is it 8? Or is it 6? If your answer was 6, then correct. The number that comes after 5 is number 6. Question number 6. What color is the sky on a clear day? What color is the sky on a clear day? Is it green? Is it red? Is it blue? Or is it yellow? Is it green, red, blue, or yellow? If your answer was blue, then you are correct. The color of the sky on a clear day is blue. Question number 7. What do you do with a book? So if you have a book, what do you do with it? Do you eat, read, write, or play with the book? If your answer was read, then you are correct. You read your book. Question number 8. Which of these is a fruit? Which of these is a fruit? A carrot, a potato, an apple, or bread? Which one is the fruit? If your answer was apple, then you are correct. The apple is the fruit. Question number 9. What do you call your mother's brother? So if your mom has a brother, what do you call her brother? Is it an aunt? Is it an uncle? Is it a cousin? Or is it a nephew? If your answer was uncle, then you are correct. Your mom's brother is your uncle. Last question. So, question number 10. Now remember, I said that for this question, I was not going to give the answer. So, everyone can write their answers in the comments down below, and I will say whether it is the correct answer or not. Number 10. What day comes after Monday? What day comes after Monday? Is it Sunday? Is it Wednesday? Is it Tuesday? Or is it Thursday? So which day comes after Monday? Is it Sunday? Is it Wednesday? Is it Tuesday? Or is it Thursday? I'm looking forward to hearing what everyone had to say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for all my beginner learners. See you next time. Goodbye.